Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to use two-way messaging on WhatsApp and SMS using your application Lead Manager Ninja, using your Salesforce environment. For this, open any lead or custom record you want to send the message on. Once done, you can place our chat console anywhere on the screen as per your wish. There, you have the option to choose the channel. For now, we have selected WhatsApp as the channel. In case the customer has multiple phone numbers associated with the record, you can choose the number on which you want to send the message from. Next, in case your business has multiple phone numbers, you can choose the number that you want to use for sending the message. Click on Apply. For sending a WhatsApp message, you will need a template to be created and approved. You can create your templates on your website. Insert a template and click on Send. The message will be delivered to the customer. Once the customer replies, the chat window will reappear, and you can now send and receive some custom messages with the lead. If you want to switch the channel, you can switch by clicking on the Select Channel option. Select the channel, select the number again, or the recipient and the sender. Click on Apply, type message, click on Send. The message will be delivered. In case you are receiving a new message from any number that does not exist in your system, do not worry. Our system will automatically create a new lead for. You can see this lead has just been created by the system, where it was not present, and sent a new message to our WhatsApp number. Since the agent can reply using the same chat console, the messages will be delivered to the customer.